Mujuru names Masvingo Parly candidates. The Joice Mujuru-led National Peoples, NPP, has named some of its Masvingo aspiring parliamentary candidates for this year's general elections. Party spokesperson Jeffreyson Chitando named the candidates as Moses Mavhaire for Masvingo Central, Nobel Farai Mugabe, Masvingo North, Lawrence Mavhaire, Masvingo South, Chiedza Makoti, Masvingo West, 1 Mudzivo, Chivi North, Rodrick Rutsvara, Gutu North, Oliver Chirume, Gutu Central, Germany Wisdom Tichazorwa, Gutu West, and Peter Mashekete, Zaka West. Chitando said the other candidates would be named soon after the party has held its primary elections. He said in constituencies like Masvingo South, Chivi North, Gutu North, and Gutu East there were no primary elections with candidates chosen through consensus.